Again, flock to chemtrails, 1111.com. And don't forget, HAARP, HAARP.com, the subcontractor delivering these chemicals of death, plane after plane. Usually in our market on grid system, never back to back. From north to south, 80% of the deployments of chemtrails are from north to south deployment, and they have enough storage on these converted 747, 727s that they can at least make a 15-mile bomb run. If not, I've seen them run from North Pinellas County or southern Pasco all the way to south of us here at Pinellas County, Manatee. And 3 days ago in September, this May offensive, we've just to make one umbrella of 15 miles wide, it was 33 deployments of these chemtrails. Amazing, folks. Plane after plane, 33, just to make a 15-mile umbrella. Flock to chemtrails. Actually, go to HAARP, the subcontractor delivering all these planes. I can assure you, HAARP.com. Al Gore, his so-called global warming defensive program, flying over you. Wake up, folks. These chemicals of death, up to 15 toxic chemicals, plane after plane after plane sight. It's obvious. These chemicals have weight. What goes up will come down. Again, at Patman Productions, we are not Chicken Littles. What I can assure you, the sky, because of the weight, somewhere out there, under your Kimbo rainbow, that is made by the chem fog, which takes 4 to 5 hours, as the sun rises, usually around 10 a.m. or sets, usually around 4 p.m. The sun's low enough that the light reflects underneath the chem fog umbrella of 15 miles, which takes again many chem pilots to unleash the chemicals of death. Yeah, Al Gore. Gotta get up awfully early in this town, in your market, to fool this here turkey. Come on, folks, quit sitting around. Yeah, wake up. Fly to chemtrails. At least 9/11, a site with many amateurs and professionals. That's what's important, to hear real scientists. Quit sitting around. Flock. Fly, Robin, fly. As we've lost 2 flocks, actually, of blackbirds in Beebe, Arkansas, again, in 2011, by flying into what? Chem fog. Pesticide oxide is in this chemical soup. Human white negative A blood cells are in this soup, along with polymer fibers and filaments. Come on, lady in the back row, get up. Fly to chemtrails, 1111.com. Come on, fly, Robin, fly. It's non-stop bombardment. Last week in September, we counted 7 umbrellas being made over southwest central Florida. That's an umbrella is probably up to 33 to 50 chem pilots delivering their load of death, and they're 15 miles wide. Pinellas County is in the bullseye. You can see north here to Pasco, eastward to Hillsboro, easily by 15 miles, and of course south to Manatee County. Let alone they fly in our county, in the zenith of Pinellas County here, and of course west, young man, which looks clear for the moment, but there will be a tanker enemy flying over soon, I'm sure. It's your choice. Take a left turn, Clyde, for the Tree of Life and Knowledge through chemtrails at least 911.com and HAARP, HAARP.com, or in that fork in the road of decision and evidence, take a right turn to the Tree of Death. Wake up, folks. There's a lot of sewage being delivered in your neighborhood too. Death, folks, not just sewage. Please fly to chemtrails 911.com. It's in the game. Get in it.